Can you believe it? The speedboat in front of me turned out to be purely handmade. The guy failed to start a business and owed a lot of debt. Girlfriend broke up with him too. The guy at the bottom of his life is not discouraged. He believes that as long as it is gold, it will always shine. The guy who refuses to admit defeat decides to start a second business. So I scraped together $2,000, bought an abandoned speedboat from a regular customer. Unexpectedly, after the repair and renovation of the boy, the otherwise unremarkable speedboat caused a sensation. Hot search soon. Media scramble to report. The guy is even more popular. There is an endless stream of people who want to cooperate with the guy. The order has been placed a year later. Not only did the guy pay off all his debts, also made a big pot of gold. Girlfriend is back in his arms. Let's take a look at the transformation process of the boy. See the end. You'll definitely give the guy a thumbs up for his craftsmanship.
This is Rise on Tea, Eugene and Moni Valentine.
You heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see that I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me.
If you also like it, please click like. Next issue will bring you more exciting videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.